Monday, September 21st, 2015. The start of a new week and the beginning of another interesting episode where we go carry come of As E Dey Hot on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. As we do every Monday, we go trade the nylon, come out on top of all the action tori wey happen for inside Nigeria over the weekend. Discuss am, throw our phone lines open so that you go call to chook mouth for the matter, to talk am the way when the team pay you for body. My name na Ezugo Chopote, and as usual, I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as they concern politics matter. As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Nigerians. Welcome to the Tier-Rubber edition of our program, As E Dey Hot. That political program where they, where they give na political informate, where they happen across our country, Nigeria. For today, what will they give now? Now the regular tool they give now. We will give now details and informate on things will happen over the weekend at least. We now need to be informated. We need to informate now so that at least now go they follow up on the things where they happen for our country, Nigeria. We will also open our phone line to also chook mouth for the matter. That is, any matter we're interested now for the whole two, we will drop down. Now we'll chook mouth so that at least we go they flow this matter. This thing go they flow, they go. At least we go not say yes, will they relate. My name never still change. My name is Nkubi, and this now As E Dey Hot.
What we go start with today? Now the action film when they happen inside the Nigerian political arrangement since last week. This one got to do with the Senate President of our Obodo, Nigeria, Senator Abubakar Bukola Saraki. Then they talk say the head when go chop knock. If you like, make you enter inside aeroplane. He go here, and if you bring out the head, he must chop that knock. Now the way when the situation there so because the CCB, that one when they call the Code of Conduct Bureau, the people when we say now their work to check all the property when we say senior government officials then get. They don't find one small comma inside the form when we say Senate President Bukola Saraki submit for 2003. They don't say between 2003 and 2007, say they check. It be like say like they inside the matter. Make we break am now, we can understand as the CC film they play out. The Code of Conduct Bureau they carry letter, give the Senate President say make him carry forward march, come their office to come answer some kind of questions. The Senate President can't look the tip in the court and say say this message when I send them, so he no send them at all, and he no show face. The place when he supposed stand up to answer all the questions, the place they empty. Now so the Code of Conduct Bureau come vex, come talk say, how dare you? We send you message say when you come, you say no come. They come order the Nigerian police force. Say when they use force, carry Oga Bukola Saraki come inside court, make it come answer the question. And Oga Bukola Saraki too, based on saying get lawyers, they win sabi book, they don't already enter inside all the places where they're supposed to enter, check all the technicalities, come out, come talk, say they don't get any right to call and make him come their office at all. Senators when they for the Nigeria Federal Republic come and come and say, this one, he be like say monkey hand dey inside. Say this one when we say some people they under, they run things. Say it be like say cabal, their hand they involved, and they go fight this cabal. They come and come talk say, they go stand behind the back of the Senate President, make sure say nobody control them anyhow or shaking leg. And from the office of Oga Presido, they come summer message come talk say, Oga Presido no get anything to do with what they happen to Bukola Saraki. Say make him just go, answer all the questions, make him respect the law, make him obey himself. And the only thing they go, he be like say we never see the end of this action film. Now some of the things will happen for weekend as it they concern the first story. Be that. Yes,
the next story we'll get for now, we'll call them a combination of good news and at the same time bad news, somehow. And now the story of the death of the wife of the wife of our former one of our pioneers of this thing. We follow the people we get there among people we get independent for country Nigeria. We'll talk about the wife of the late Awolowo. That is Hannah Didiolu Awolowo, who they popularly call HID. The woman died recently, and at the age of 99, and of course that good age. And of course, as I talked before, you now know say the husband and people, one of the strong people, pillars of our country Nigeria, one of the people will be say we struggle to make sure Nigeria get independent in 1960. Will be one of the frontiers of politics that time. And this woman they also they talk about. She another strong woman will say even her interest for politics that time when she young, they very cajad, even strong, so support the husband so strongly to the point they will say the husband look at finish, describe and just give her some accolade, give a different name where we say if you hear and you say go dey ginger to say yes, this is kind of name where I want to hear. And then furthermore we hear say the burial they don't fix the burial, and the burial they come up on November 25th. And why they fix them on this date? And I want to say that day, Gongongo is supposed to mark 100 years. I mean, now that day she for mark 100 years, which of course now good thing, yes. Now at least you would not say, yeah, the day when they bury you, now that same day they mark 100 years. Now the story we'll get for now on top of that angle be that.
Boko Haram Jaguda people don't come and tell say, say even though our army then they work hard, then self they no go rest, and they go do everything what they fit do to continue to do their badment inside this our Obodo Nigeria. This one come out for the message when we say the Oga of Boko Haram Jaguda people, Abubakar Shekau, when he released audio, and our army people talk say they still want verify the authenticity. That is, they won't check whether na original or na somebody just go inside studio, do production, come and come to say na Abubakar Shekau voice. Based on that level, our army people still show say they still they work to pursue Boko Haram Jaguda people come up for inside this our country. And then for inside Maiduguri, this Boko Haram Jaguda people, they carry waka enter for Ajilari. Inside one mosque when they there for 3 different angles, we just hear Goa. They talk say about 8 people na by, and they count like 50 people when we say the day inside hospital they receive treatment. And our army people don't look this one come to say make Nigerians no worry, say na desperation na make Boko Haram Jaguda people they do all this thing when they do, because they don't they lose the fight, and they don't come out now and come they use every means when they feel use to use the cause more problem for this country. Our army people can't take and for that say you get one place for Bama where Boko Haram people that they do anyhow badment, say they don't rescue about 62 people, including children them, and they don't pursue Boko Haram Jaguda people come up for that area. So they, as Boko Haram Jaguda people see our army them, they begin they run, they leave their food, they leave their gun, they leave their flag, everything when they get, they run, enter inside bush. Our soldier people see they pursue them, and they don't promise say until they buy all of them, or all of them don't born again, they no go rest. They must do their work to preserve peace for inside this our Obodo Nigeria. That's one of the country we get to do with security and Boko Haram as it take happen for weekend with that.
Yes, the next story we'll get for now, the story of NNPC. As you hear, say they don't secure $1.2 billion where they want to take fund them 36 oil well. They want to take and build 36 oil well. And this one we talk about the equivalent of 236 billion naira for Nigeria. From what we hear, they want to take and build 23 onshore well and 13 offshore oil well. At least to onto that same level, say yes, we want to strengthen our oil sector, and to make sure, say yes, those you stretch and collect oil from here, stretch and collect oil from here, they steal oil, you know, go take place again. That is what all this move, then do it, they enter them with Chevron to make sure that at least the oil sector, they redefine them, place them well in the state where Nigerians want, and in the state where go benefit the country nationally. Now the story about NNPC, and you have moved to make sure, say, at least they revive the oil sector.
All of the stories where we don't drop, so now some of the action things will happen for Nigeria over the weekend. We'll go to our phone lines open as we discuss this story they go, so that you self go call to Chukma for the matter to talk up the way when it in pay you for body. Could be no need to talk go far. This code of conduct bureau, when we say all of a sudden they don't wake up, they don't they alive to their responsibilities. Don't begin to trouble our Senate president. How many hems did I do? 3. I go do them again. Because at the talk, Nigerians are expecting more. Nigerians are expecting a lot. For this country, all of us agree say we don't suffer reach one point where we say we get one government where don't promise us say they go turn this country to land of milk and honey. And Nigerians, they support the government. But it can't be like say disintegration. It can't be like say bad blood. It can't be like say disunity. They inside the party APC. And some people don't carry finger, chook for sand, put them for mouth, points go sky, say they go make sure say they destroy themselves for inside that party. Nigerians do not want, I go speak English because it's already talking. Nigerians do not want this. Not be waiting they promise us before election be this, so not be waiting they promise us, because how from when somebody submit, how many years ago Now this 2015, now I'm gonna come no say something there wrong inside that
No,
form.
Chukudi, in fact, no, in the first place, we know say yes, the conduct of bureau, this thing, they try to do their work. Now, at least that what don't they expect me than they do before now. But suddenly, after the declaration, after Oga President and the Vice declared their assets, where one or two people come follow suit, suddenly just wake up from somewhere, say, as if they sleep before. I don't know whether they all wake up from somewhere, get
And now only Saraki wake up to see.
And now I can say, okay, why in commission now let Saraki na come the target? And there are other people we say now feel look into their matter to know whether they go declare their assets or not. I think we don't. There are people who talk say they no go declare their assets. Why not go meet those people know how far? People will come out and say they never declare their assets. Anyway, maybe they carry their assets, come it now, come show now, that one different. But Saraki own, I can't look, Chukudi. I dey look at with my third eye because no say sometimes third eye they work sometimes. It shows say this thing, this Saraki issue, what they just focus on. It just not be which church based on say the test make come out, come contest for Senate president. You can't dey show yourself. If you say you sabi, no, and for that reason, who say go tell you say who say sabi.
Wetin me I get to know be say why e be say na me you dey ask the question.
No, why not go ask you?
No, why you dey direct the question to me after I ask you question first? After putting Nigerians through emotional, political, social, economical, and psychological trauma for 49 days because they fight for position, we don't come back to this one. About 50 senators. All the problem with the face for Nigeria, they're going to do meeting for 4 hours just to settle this case.
Why
and you come and ask me, say...
You want stand up? Why can't they open eyes for me? We dey try resolve, look into issues. No as we will take talk and make a balance. Before Nigerians, you can't open eyes. Why not go ask you?
You should be giving Nigerians answers. Not when I ask you question, you can't show the question back to me.
I look like the people when they try check into what happen. Have you had this Senate president for you? Why they ask me that kind of question?
Now waiting una promise Nigeria. That's my question. Now waiting una promise Nigeria. All of a sudden, 2003 declaration. 2003.
That is why
5,
you
6,
should be
7,
asking
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Should not be
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After all these years, now they come to say, it be like say, command there inside. Who could be? We are moving ahead in this country.
We have to move ahead.
We don't want anybody to draw us back.
Look, don't bring this matter before me. Don't just throw it to me. If now you get your own father, not I address the matter where you did. Respect yourself. It is so early to start.
100 days plus. We don't see different quarrel for inside this country.
Chukudi.
Just because of say one person for the political party, according to some people, when say they don't come cover.
It's how I shake my hand. Sorry, shake my hand. Just respect yourself. Because this matter, we just talk and you see, not just anyway.
How else you want to talk this matter? Who could be? How else do you want to talk
Why
this matter?
Why they bring on before me?
How else do you want to talk this matter?
I be conduct of this way they investigate matter. I
don't they put senators against themselves. 2003. Can you imagine? 2003.
It is Chukudi. Okay, but we will also look at. If this thing now maybe say okay now the first move to say okay now from this senator the Senate president won't start our work and maybe after they can enter into
and we get 2 governors wey talk say they no go declare their own.
Our governor wan address one chicken mouth inside the mouth mo hear am. Good morning Ogobiora.
Yeah, good morning, good morning. How are you today?
We dey fine.
Ogobiora, I dey vex o. Ogobiora, I dey vex.
Will you keep quiet? Let him talk. Keep quiet. Let him talk.
Between the house, no, take a easy. You know what I want to talk for this Saraki issue. I tell you that the other time, say every Nigeria gets an anthem of corruption inside him.
Yes.
Look at what is happening. Buhari administration wants to probe Jonathan administration only, and the Bukola Saraki says that they will probe power from Obasanjo regime. Now, because they mention Obasanjo regime, now it will touch some of the APC. They now remember that 2013 there was error. Why can't they get the error from 2003 up to 2015? So for you to know that there is no seriousness in that action. And again, when Bukola Saraki win the senator, they say that they will not recognize him as a Senate president. Now they want to use all the force to make sure that they remove Bukola Saraki as the president. Without knowing that immediately they remove Bukola Saraki, APC will lose that next president seat. Because all the members of Bukola Saraki senators will now join hands with PDP. They will be the government and win APC. So they will lose everything. And again, this plus now president is saying that they don't know anything about it. They have right to intervene in any issue. It's number one seat in this country. So all these things is multi-handed. And with this thing now, APC is going to be more trouble in this country than as we did it before. So because when you look at these issues, you'll find out that they are not planning things well. What they do, why can't you disqualify this man from the time that he wanted to contest because of that corruption issue? You didn't do that and allow him to win Senate and allow him to win the Senate president before you now come back. So let's take an easy and see how they will end this their drama.
Thank you.
Right about now, I'm leading 1-0 because
we are not here to count any corners, results or not. Look, don't bring in that you are leading 1-0. Now is that people in the competition.
Wait, who is support? Who is support?
I don't know who is support.
My point is
if
support.
they talk based on saying be Nigerian and the matter they vex am. Oga Chris, good morning. Hey, you don't
pursue him now.
No, don't bring that.
No, you don't pursue him.
In the first place, Saraki, as a Nigerian, has every right to say he won't contest for N2A contest. As long as he's there for that Senate House, he get every right. So if this now win chance, anyway, we go see find out where the monkey had the come from.
We don't even talk about whether he contest or he no contest.
It's still part of him.
It is all in the past now.
It is still part of him.
The senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria don't come out.
That's still in chance to go see
Saraki go represent them.
Yeah.
Why we there for this country? Something where somebody submit for 2003. Something where somebody submit for 2003. After how many years? Now even I can't no say for today. Who could be? Let us move Nigeria forward. Nigerians don't suffer this. They say when we say, all we need now come and move the carriers ahead.
When you keep mentioning Nkubi, let us move Nigeria forward. Do I look like a Look, don't let me take this in personal.
Okay.
Don't Nkubi me.
No.
Go straight to your question, ask your question.
Before the election, what we will do for inside this our country. Before the election, what we will do for inside this our country.
Yes.
Two major political parties promise us two things. The People's Democratic Party promise us transformation,
yes.
Continuity from what they don't do, consolidating on the gains of Goodluck Jonathan,
beautiful.
And the All Progressive Congress promise us change.
Yes.
Change from waiting they thought say no good to waiting they good. Nkubi, after May 29, when our Oga Presido and all the governors of this country and they administer the oath of office and oath of allegiance, how many days it take us for this country, for our National Assembly people to first sit down first? Why? Because they fight for opposition. Okay, now everything not settled. Oga Presido don't step into the matter. Code of Conduct Bureau don't call all of a sudden. They don't see their eyeglass. Can't look back to 2003. Can't see say something there wrong. Nkubi, if you vex me this morning, I will come on my suit. I will come on my suit.
Samuel is calling us from Ikotu. Good morning, Samuel. Wait to be that self. I won't take that with you. Good morning, Samuel.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Sam.
Good morning, Goshukudi.
Good morning, Oga Sam.
The Lord bless two of you.
Thank you very much.
Let us recap. Two of you are sitting down there from the beginning of the session of this campaign. Two of you have always spoke for and against.
Yes.
Nkubi.
Yes.
You bear APC as I see you on that screen.
Thank you.
Likewise, Goshukudi bears PDP.
Okay.
The mind of the people, for the people, is good governance.
Thank you.
Not the argument pre-election and after election that we are arguing now. Saraki is in a big mess because his ambition as a person to be Senate president is making APC to open back the old canker worms, because those who are interested in APC are CPC, ACN, ANPP, and all the party that makes up the party. And you can discover that Buhari is saying that Saraki is on his own. Mind you, Mr. President says that he will work with National Assembly as it is. But because of Tinubu's faction, which is ACN, they have bastardized APC. APC will be in big problem. From the time they've come into the end of 4 years, this country will achieve nothing. But Mama HID, let us all rest in peace in Jesus' name.
Amen.
The husband has performed. 28 years ago, the husband left Petty Friendly, told us that we shall fight for our rights. And we are at the point of fighting for our rights. Come 2019, the battle will be too tough for any party who believes that they can begin to muscle to this country by their own individual will, which is against the will of the people. Masses are suffering. APC have no agenda for now. They are infighting. Tinubu must go for tribunal. Those of all the governors from the station must go to tribunal because they are all corrupt.
Oga Samuel, they come with fire this morning.
That is victimization. The government country.
Oga Samuel, thank you
very much.
Abeg, you like say you don't even come carry the fire when I carry come, the fire Nkubi. Thank you very much. Oga okay from Calabar. You will hear it today. You will hear it.
Good morning, Oga okay.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga okay.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga okay.
I beg, I don't want to start my week with quarrel.
Oh, thank you.
I want we study peace.
Okay.
So that everything will work out for us. Thank you, and God bless you now.
Thank you.
Oga okay, thank you very much.
Look, I contribute more.
Okay, may we hear you?
First of all, my condolence goes to the family of Lester Oluwo. May our mama find a rest in the bosom of the Lord.
Amen. No.
On the issue of Sariki, the question where I got to answer asking Kubi, so why always Sariki?
Why always waiting?
Sariki.
Myself, no. I ask the same question, no. Why always him?
Because
don't point at me, Chukwudi.
Something wey don happen
2003.
2003. Why they come?
They bring her now, come they undog her now.
No, you don't jail. It don't make sense. So if you at least continue to do like this, that means they don't get any agenda for us. First of all, they don't deny, say they don't make some promises. Again, fuckers don't they again. Which way? No normal. So I beg. May they forget about this problem of doing, I know they make sense. May they try focus on why
they coming so into government in the first place.
Our mandate.
Yes.
At least, so that things will work out for us. And again, about the Boko Haram issue. Brother, remember to get this set of people in Nigeria. They do me like to make a run, leave this out of Nigeria. But I don't Nigeria, my papa man.
Abi.
I will spoil. I believe that with our support to our Nigerian military.
Okay. In fact,
continue staying here.
Thank you very, very much for your contribution. I mean, Oga Chris, Oga Sam, and Oga Obiora with our court. Thank you. Right about now, we'll go do it. We'll go quickly enter market. Make we go know as market be before we go come back. Will they come?
Why always Saraki? Why always him? Why always Saraki? You go answer the question.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.